In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see owned games in Microsoft Store. If you want the quickest way to check which games you already own in the Microsoft Store, the easiest place to look is the library section inside the app. This is helpful if you've purchased games before, redeemed titles, or simply want to confirm what's available to download on your device. Start by opening the Microsoft Store app. You can do that from your taskbar if it's pinned there, or by opening the Start menu and selecting Microsoft Store from your list of apps. Once the app opens, give it a moment to fully load so all of your account information and product listings appear correctly. Next, look to the bottom left side of the Microsoft Store window and click the library icon. This icon looks like a small stack of books. The library is where Microsoft groups the apps, games, and other content connected to your account, so this is the main area you'll use to review what you already own. After that, go to the top of your product grid and click the Games filter. This narrows the library view so you only see game titles, which makes it much easier to find what you're looking for without scrolling through apps or other downloads. Now check the status shown next to each game. If a game is already in your account but not currently installed on your computer, you'll see a download icon next to it. That icon looks like a cloud with an arrow. This is the key sign that you own the game and can install it whenever you want. If you don't immediately see a title, make sure you're signed into the correct Microsoft account, since your owned games are tied to that account, and that's it. That's the fastest way to see your owned games in the Microsoft Store.